guys, what's up? It's Kelly. Today what I got going on for you is I actually did this makeup look on camera today. It's very soft, very simple, really glam at the same time. This is going to be a talk through tutorial. I know that a lot of people tend to fall asleep when I'm doing my voiceovers, so I decided that I'm going to start doing talk through tutorials because it actually physically helps you guys understand a little bit more throughout the video. So I really hope you guys enjoy. If you want to see how to get this look, then just keep on watching. Alright you guys, I'm starting off with my NYX Hydra Touch Primer. This is after moisturizing my face with a illuminating moisturizer. Next, I'm going to go in with my foundation. I'm using the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow, and then I'm actually mixing a little bit of my Estee Lauder Double Wear in that. I really like mixing these two together, not only because one is too light for me and one is too dark for me, but also one has a soft matte finish and one has a dewy luminous finish, and one wears really long and the other one doesn't, so it hits that perfect medium for a foundation, and then the color kind of evens out to my skin tone. Next, I'm going to start my brows. So today I am using the Anastasia Brow Wiz in dark brown. Next, I'm going in with my Brow Wiz pencil in taupe, and we're going to fade out the front a little bit more. Alright, now I'm going to go in and carve my brows. I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape in Fair Neutral. This I just put a little swipe on the back of my hand. And then I'm taking out my Morphe brush. This is the Morphe 421. It's a concealer brush, and I like this one because it gets really nice and close to my brows. And it's easy to blend out. Next, I'm going in with my Tarte Shape Tape concealers. I am using the color Fair Neutral and the color Light Sand. Since my face looks a little bit dark, I'm going to be using more of the color Fair Neutral, but we still like to put a little bit of that Light Sand in there too. And I'm taking my Morphe MB8 brush. This is a foundation brush, and I am going to buff that concealer into my highlighted areas. Nikki Tutorials always says do the eyes last, like the under eyes. What do you guys think about that? Because I can't tell if I like doing them first or if I like doing last, or God, this camera angle is so ugly. I'm just realizing that. Great. I'm taking whatever's left on the brush and putting it up onto the eyelid because we're not going to prime our eyelids today. I'm not doing any eyeshadow. I'm just going to keep it really plain. Alright, next I'm going in with my pure translucent powder, and we are going to set everything. I always start by pressing into my under eyes and starting to set my eye area. I'm going to blend out my eyelids so that they aren't creased. And I always push the powder into the areas that I put that concealer to. Go in and brush the powder on the rest of my face. Next, I'm going to go in with my Urban Decay Shapeshifter palette, and with this I'm going to be using this powder brown contour shade, and I'm going to start warming up my cheeks with my Morphe M438 brush. And I'm just keeping this mainly in like my contour chisel area, but using little circular strokes to blend it up and out. My cheek already looks nice and glowy. I am living. I'm also gonna do a little bit of warming up on my temples, or I guess above my temples, and then bring it down into my temple. Same thing, nice little circular motions, blend this part to this part down here. My nose contour is also something I need to work on more, because your girl's nose never looks snatched, it always looks crooked. That's fine, but I'd like an upgrade. So I've been doing my makeup the same way for a long time. Alright, next I'm going in with my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, and I am going to be using actually an under eye setting brush from Morphe. This is the Morphe M554. You're supposed to use this for the under eye, but I was at the gym and I accidentally brought this brush instead of my bronzer brush, and I used it for bronzer, and I actually really liked how it turned out. I love this bronzer because it's so fair. It gives you a little bit of an illuminated look, but you're not too sparkly, and we'll warm up the forehead with this too. I'm gonna blend it down onto the jawline and down the neck, just so it doesn't look like, oh my gosh, like her face is all bronze and then the rest of her is like super pale. Because that's not me, yo. It's me. Alright, next I'm gonna go into a radiant blush. This is the NYX Baked Blush. They do not make this anymore. This is one of the first blushes that I ever purchased. And I really like it because it illuminates, but I also only need to go in the pan at one time. I'm gonna bring it up onto the forehead just to, you know. Next I'm going into my highlighter. I'm actually going to be using the Anastasia Amrezy highlighter. This is one of my favorite highlighters. It's so angelic, and it just gives me that perfect natural glowy dewy look, even though my face already looks like glowy dewy from all of the glowy dewy steps I've already taken. But we just want to shimmer and shine today, you guys. Oh, look at her, she's so cute. I also noticed that YouTubers are starting to do this thing, or I guess Instagram MUAs. They're highlighting right here and right here on the nose and aren't doing this middle part, and I think that's great because I have like a massive protuberance in my nose, and whenever I put highlighter smack dab in that middle part, oh my god, like you can see how many times I've broken my nose and it's so ugly. And that's just me judging myself, but I am gonna go in with a little smaller brush and highlight underneath my brow bone though, because what are you gonna do without a blinding highlight all over your face? This is my Stila micro tip eyeliner, and I'm just gonna line really close to my eyelashes. So I've been doing this a lot lately, whether or not I wear false lashes on top. If I wear false lashes on top, I'm usually a lot more messy with it. It doesn't really matter the outcome as long as my eye is lined pretty well. And guys, if I were to choose between the original Stila eyeliner and the micro tip Stila eyeliner, I would definitely still do the original. I like the original a lot better. This one is very pigmented, it comes out super duper nice, but I feel like I don't have as much control with it. Tiny eyeliners give me anxiety, especially if you're not just putting in detail work, like if you're doing like a full wing with this. It doesn't really make any sense to me to have like an itty bitty little eyeliner tip. Alright you y'all, today we're going in with some Lily lashes. These are so freaking gorgeous. These are the Lily lashes in Mykonos. I remember like about 2 or 3 years ago, I was watching a Nikki Tutorials tutorial, and she put on these lashes, and I was like, holy Hannah, why do I not have those lashes? And then I realized it's because they're $26. So that's why I don't have them. But I've always thought that they were just like the most gaudy, beautiful things. So today we are going to use them. Today I'm using the Tarte Man-Eater mascara. I've really been loving this mascara. It's one of my personal faves. It's so funny because like whenever people ask me about it, I kind of just like hated on it a lot, and then I started using it myself and I was like, holy crap, like this is amazing. But now that I'm down to the bottom of the tube, it's very subpar. Like it still does its thing, but didn't do its thing as much as when I first bought it. So really glad that I didn't do eyeshadow because these eyelashes is insane. We are gonna go into lippies. Today I'm starting off with the NYX Suede Matte Lip Liner, and this is in the color Los Angeles. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick, and this is in the color Pure Hollywood. I had seen this color for like the last I want to say 2 years and never bought it. But the other day I got it and I freaking love it. It's exactly what I've been looking for. So it goes on really fair, but as it dries, it's freaking gorgeous. Alright, and because I'm a glossy bitch, we gonna put the gloss on. Alright you guys, that's gonna be it for my video today. Thank you so much for watching. This look was really simple, really cute. I really was just super excited to wear these lashes and this lipstick, and honestly I've been really digging how I've been doing my face lately, so there it is for you. If you guys liked this video, please give me a big thumbs up, and if you aren't subscribed, please subscribe. I make new videos every single week, sometimes 2 times a week, you know, when I'm not behind. I love each and every one of you. Thank you again for watching. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!